Welcome to Grandson's Favorite Recipes. Today I am very excited to receive iPad Air 11-inch, which is released only today. I got by evening. This is the box, well packed, keeping to the standards of Apple. This model is iPad Air 11-inch size. This has the Apple M3 chip, which is very fast. The earlier model, which was released in 2024, had M2 chip. Apart from the chip, there is no significant difference. One can write your name on the back of your iPad, which is masked in this case. For my privacy. This is the charging plug and the cable. These are the different models of iPad. These are the various points: charging point, touch point. I've switched on the unit. We'll get different languages, English, Hindi, like that. So here I have chosen the language English. Next step is to choose your country, India. Then you can choose the appearance, the way how it looks like. Then we'll start quick start. Connect the iPad to the Wi-Fi connection by giving the password. Customize the settings now. You set up for myself. Let us now set up the Touch ID instead of password. There's a point on the top. Place your finger on that. We can see a pattern of your fingerprints coming on the screen. If you want, we can add one more fingerprint on that, or you can create an iPad passcode. We can transfer the data if you have got another iPad or iPhone, giving the password for the Apple account. Otherwise, you generate a new Apple account by giving your name, date of birth, and we have created an Apple account with your phone number or email ID. Both will be verified by Apple. You have to agree to the terms and conditions, which will be sent to your email ID. You have to agree. So the iPad is getting set up. The iPad which I bought has 512 GB. Choose the location services, screen time, settings, etc. As expected, we had to pay more for any additional features like storage, Wi-Fi, cellular connection, Apple Pencil, etc. Like other Apple units, we have Siri for helping you. Thus, our setup is complete. All the standard apps have been downloaded automatically. Files like camera, settings, app stores etc. A is the app stores from where you can download the various applications for your use. You finish setting up of your iPad by setting up Siri once again and by selecting the voice. So you will switch on again, giving the password, numerical password. Now let us download one app. I have chosen here to download YouTube. Everyone knows to download apps in your phone or Apple devices. Since I received this iPad only just now, I will use it for some time and come back with another video. Hope you have enjoyed my video. If you have learned something from this video, please let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please comment, share and subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you very much.